Hello, everybody. How are you all doing? I hope everyone is safe, healthy, and positive at their home. Myself, Seema from East Scholastic, and today's topic of maths is taken from class 6th. So, students, in our earlier classes, we have learnt about angles. That is, how angles are formed. When two rays, ray 1 and ray 2, meet at a common vertex, it forms angles. And now today we will be learning about various pair of angles. So student, the topics that we will be covering today in this session will be complementary angles and supplementary angles, and these both angles are the part of pair of angles. Now let's start up and understand about the complementary angle. In the image we can see we have an angle which is a right angle, and this angle is bisected into two parts. One part of angle is 50°, the other part is x, and we need to find out this value of x. So when we add this value of x with 50, it should be equal to 90, and thus we get the value of x as 40. So we have seen the complementary angles are the angles when the two angles measures and add up to 90°. So if sum of two angle is 90°, they are called as complementary angle. Whenever the sum of any two angles sum up and it have the answer as 90°, we get that these two angles are complementary angles. In other words, if two angles add up to form a right angle, then these angles are referred to as complementary angles. Whenever we have two angles which form or add up to right angle, we refer the two angle forming the right angle as the complementary angle. But we need to keep some points in mind while having a look on this complementary angles. That is, two right angles cannot complement each other. Two right angles can never be a complementary angle. Second, two obtuse angles cannot complement each other. Whenever two obtuse angles are added up, it cannot be complementary angles. That is, they are not the complementary angles. Third, two complementaries are acute, but vice versa is not possible. Whenever the two acute angles sum up, it can form the complementary angle. But the complementary angle is always acute, it is not possible. Now let's have a look at an example of complementary angles. We have an angle ADB and angle BDC. These are complement to each other. How? Let us see. Angle ADB is 65° and angle BDC is 25°. When we add angle ADB and angle BDC, it sum up to 90°. So, we have seen that angle ADB is complementary to angle BDC because the sum of these two angles are forming right angle. I hope we are clear till here. So now, after looking at the complementary angles, now let us understand about the supplementary angles. When the sum of two angles is 180°, then the angles are known as supplementary angles. In other words, if two angles add up to form a straight angle, that is 180°, then those angles are referred to as supplementary angles. Let's try to understand this thing from the figure. We have a straight line ABC which is having an angle of 180°. Then a line DBD is drawn from a point B which forms the angle DBC as 65°. Now, if we need to calculate angle ABD, then we will be getting it by subtracting it from 180 degree because ABC is a straight angle. So angle ABD is equals to 180 minus 65, that is 115. So we can say now that angle ABD and angle DBC are supplementary to each other. Now let's try to understand the supplementary angles with an example. We have a straight line angle ADB of 180 degree and angle ADC of 65 degree and angle CDB of 115 degree. When we add angle ADC to the angle CDB, we get 180 degree. So we can say that angle ADC is supplement to angle CDB because on adding up these two angles, that is 65 degree plus 115 degree, we are getting the straight angle, that is 180 degree. That's all for the day. Now let's do the quick recap of what all things we have learned today. We got to know about the various pairs of angles, and today we have learned about complementary angles. The pair of angles which sum up to 90 degree are termed as complementary angles, and the supplementary angles are the angles or the pair of angles which sum up to 180 degree, that is straight angle. So this one is the revision session and it is related to the topic that we have covered today, that is complementary angles and supplementary angles. Here are some of the given figures and you need to identify the corresponding complementary angle and supplementary angle. These are very simple one. It is related to the topic that we have covered today and I hope we all will be able to do it. So that's all for the day. I hope you might have enjoyed this session and thank you for watching my video. If you are loving my video, please do like, share and subscribe my channel and do press the bell icon near to subscribe button so that you are notified about the upcoming videos related to science and maths. And also, if you have any topic that you want me to make a video on related to science and math, you can comment below in the comment box. I'll surely prepare the video. Thank you.